Email code right here. We are on Leetcode 785 is Graph Bipartite. So basically it's asking you to figure out if the given graph is bipartite or not. So for example, this example 1 is not bipartite, and example 2 this is bipartite. So what it means to be bipartite is that I've brought a simple diagram for you. So for example, this graph is bipartite because each node could be separated into two sections. Like if you draw a line in the middle somewhere in the graph, then the nodes can be separated in two parts, left part and the right part, which could be denoted with red nodes and blue nodes. So if you read through, it also means that the red node, can only be connected to blue nodes, not the red nodes. So this form is bipartite, but let's say if the graph had some kind of edge like this is not bipartite because there's a edge that connects between red to red or blue to blue. So you're going to figure out how to see if the graph is bipartite or not. So I'm going to make this small. There you go. And this is the algorithm that we can come up with. So what we're doing is that you're going to start coloring the nodes. You can start from anywhere. So that's why you're having for I in range n. That means that's because some of the nodes could be disconnected, right? So you have to check all of them, while although it seems unnecessary. So you're going to put the if clause here to check if it's been already processed, then we're not going to do it again. And otherwise we're going to do it, right? So what we do is that we're going to color the first node that we've encountered with the red, let's say. And then you're going to put it to the queue because it's a BFS, breadth first search. And you're going to get the neighboring nodes, which are blues, right? However, by the time we were figuring out, you can't know if they had blue or red, right? So we're just going to get it and see if it's been colored or not. And if it's not colored, we're going to color with the alternating one that will be blue, right? Yep, blue. And you do the same thing. Like you're going to keep coloring with the alternating color like this. This should be colored with the red one, right? But we're not going to color it now because it's a bit cumbersome. And the same thing, blue to blue and red to red, something like that. And if you see the algorithm, it has a elif condition which checks if the current color of the node is the same as the neighboring node. In that case, that means there's a edge that connects between red to red or blue to blue. In that case, you're going to return false for that. Otherwise, you're going to return true for it. So that is it for telling how to know if the graph is bipartite or not. And one thing I want to note is that we're coloring color with the alternative way, with the declaration of the color as 1, and you're going to color them with the alternating one with the -1. So it's going to keep coloring with the 1 and -1. So we're going to keep track of them in the color dictionary right here. So that's how the algorithm works, and let me know if you have questions. Thank you.